Hello, in this video I'll show you how to integrate this sensor, this motion sensor, with this premium commercial downlight that we sell. In order to do that, we'll need this power pack or driver to make them all compatible. First I'm going to open up the driver for the downlight. I'm going to pop open the housing. Inside you'll be met with a couple options. First I'm going to connect the power pack, which is going to be 2 wires, pink and purple. You just got to color match it. So pink goes into pink, purple goes into purple. You got to press down on the buttons on top, these right here. And while you're pressing down, you can insert the cable. Okay, now that it's installed, we can hook up the sensor to it. And now we can connect everything to power. Make sure the power strip is off, and we'll be connecting the power pack to mains neutral, and this is our mains hot. Now we need to connect the driver to mains. I'll be using these 2 cables. Your neutral and negative are displayed right here. This one on top is going to be your neutral, and the one beneath it is going to be your hot. First I'll do my neutral. Just gotta press down on the button here and insert the cable. And now I can connect these to a power strip. Now that everything's hooked up, I can turn it on. And now the sensor won't work out of the box. You need to set it up with the application, which is free on Apple Store. It's called SL Solutions. Here it is. I already have the app installed, so I'll go to that now. And on the application, in order to add the sensor, you press the plus sign and then you press search. It finds it pretty quickly. Now you gotta press stop search and press the check mark. You can see that it's pairing. This process takes a couple seconds. There you go, it's finished pairing. You can exit out of that. Now it's going to load the sensor into the main menu. And here we go, we can turn it off and on. And we can adjust more settings by going into the sensor settings. We can adjust the motion sensor in order to detect motion. We can do all kinds of stuff. There's a lot of options. You just gotta mess with it and see. But yeah, that's all there is to it.